Hi there, Rune here from HeathcoteRoad with another short video on knitting tutorial. Just going to show you how to work one of the stitches that you'll find in the Rune play blanket. It's a little bit confusing. It starts with a slip one with the yarn in back, yarn over, and then knit two together. It seems a little weird, but it does work. So I'm just going to knit across a few stitches here until I get to the place where I'm going to work this series of stitches. So here is where I'm going to start. I've done a couple rows here already so you can see what it looks like. These are the slip stitches. Here is the row of the yarn overs, which become eyelets, and this is the knit two together column here. So to work this, what you're going to do is slip the stitch with the yarn in back. Now I'm going to do a yarn over. So it looks a little wobbly on the back here, but that's okay. And now I'm going to knit these two stitches together, just like it says. So I slipped that first stitch in the series with the yarn in the back, did a yarn over, knit two together. And I'm just going to knit to the end of the row. It's a very short little row just for demonstration here. And I'm going to turn around and I'm just going to purl back to where those stitches are so you can see how to work the back. Now here I am at the back. This is our knit two together from the back. This is the yarn over, and this is the slip stitch. Here you can see the yarn is laying in front of it. So now to work this, all I'm going to do is purl across these stitches just as they present themselves. So I've purled the stitch that was the back of the knit two together, and I'm going to purl the yarn over. And now there is our slip stitch. You can see the yarn coming across here. We're just going to ignore that yarn. We're just going to purl that slip stitch and continue on our way. And that's all there is to it. So I'm just going to purl across the row. I'm doing a salvage edge, just going to turn around here. And there you can see what the front looks like. So this gives a nice little column of slip stitches, a column of your yarn overs, your eyelets, and then your knit two together stitches. And that's it. I hope that's helpful. And happy knitting. See you again.